that's a great intro. Nothing like starting out with a clearing of the throat. Welcome back, everyone. As always, drop those questions in chat. Nicole's going to help me out, giving me the most relevant, most actionable, best questions of the day. As always, so much to go over. I mean, GME. This is that. Probably a lot of you going to ask about GME. This is that rule of 10, or in this instance, a rule of 100 stock. Think of this as a $3 stock. So if GME breaks 300, especially on a Friday, especially with the full squeeze on, it's going to smoke everybody that's dumb enough to short stocks in 2021. Oh, and a couple things, as always, this is a drawing from, I know you probably can't read it, but it's from 9:44 a.m. yesterday, talking about that midday, late day break on ENTX. Check out the Steady Trade team. I'm doing a 45-minute webinar as soon as I get done here. I go really fast on pre-market prep. Steady Trade team allows me to slow down a little bit. What did AEZS end up doing yesterday? Ugly chart. Whoops. How did this play out yesterday? Of course, it did run a little bit in the afternoon, of course. So anyway, is ENTX still in play? Oh, DP. Come on, my man. You got a stock that's squeezed in after hours. That's, barely below breaking out of yesterday's highs. And it's at VWAP at 8:30 in the morning, baby. So to all of you that may be wondering, you got your number. So today, you'll hear me say this a lot. Today's ENTX is ENTX. So, it's Friday. You got that high in basically the 750 area, which was also that pre-market high. And here we are, just chopping around at VWAP. And all ENTX is doing is, remember the Rick James, the Dave Chappelle, Rick James, come to me, baby. This is, see if this GIF will load. It's not going to load. You guys know the GIF. You know what I'm talking about. Anyway, it's not going to load. God dang it. You all know the GIF. Right now, ENTX is just baiting them. It's Dave Chappelle as Rick James saying, come on in. Come on in. And then, much like the Rick James, Dave Chappelle, what did the hand say to the face? This might be dating me, but I gotta believe, even if you're younger, you remember the Chappelle show, Rick James, what did the hand say to the face? And the hand is going to say to the face on Friday afternoon, if this breaks that 750 area, that's what it's going to say. So, ENTX, please chop around early in the day and smoke them in the afternoon. $750. Probably, risk on either a risk on VWAP or, probably like a whole dollar, half dollar idea. So, again, you buy the 750 break if this consolidates around VWAP, you risk $7, and at the end of the day, you've got a good risk to reward on a stock that has a high likelihood of squeezing on day two. So, ARPad says CRFX, 20 million float, $86 million contract. Number one, ARPad. Love the due diligence. Well done. I love it when you guys, again, we're rapid fire here, but I love it when you guys kind of at least try and talk through the why. And here we go. I mean, I know a lot of you are going to disconnect right now, but what I'm trying to do here is as quickly as possible talk about the how and the why, we care about these stocks. It's not picks. It's not like, hey, everybody buy CFRX. Let's see if we can pull a Wall Street bets and push this higher collectively. No. What we're trying to do is, think about the how and the why and why we should care and where we would look to potentially enter and exit. So I love it when you guys do that due diligence to explain why you're asking me about CFRX. So, this type of chart is afternoon only. And what is this? What is Contrafect? Some sketch biotech. So, 86 million. Let's look at this contract. Let's take a peek here. Cost share contract. Yeah, so this is red flags. Number one, the chart is a red flag. And number two, they got to hit milestones. And here's your teaching moment for the day. Okay, get out your notepad. All low-price biotechs will screw up. So, yeah, it's great that they got 9.8 million. They'll never get the other 77. It's a low-priced, sketchy biotech. They're going to take that 9.8 million. They're going to buy Lamborghinis and private jets, and you will never, they will never get that additional 77 million because they will never hit the milestones. So I say either an ignore or maybe if this gets some wild volume, it's a possible squeeze idea, but I'm just yuck. So CFRX, they will screw this up. And if you're asking, why? Well, listen. Biotechs trading at $3 are trading at $3 for a reason. So, NLSP up on news at 8 a.m. Looky. So, what do we got here? Proprietary. Oh, with Novartis. Okay. Very different news than CFRX. I mean, Novartis. No, I mean, geez. Feel free to fact check me on this, but I mean, huge. Yeah. So, 100% at 945. So this is very analogous. Did I pronounce? Let me know in the comments. Did I pronounce analogous properly? Anyway, I'll stick with it. This is very analogous to ENTX yesterday. I like this news. I like this news and float and probably grabs the chat pump today. Let's draw this out, man. Beautiful. All-time, I mean, this is all-time highs for this stock, too. Where's my stylus? All right. In essence, same drawing as yesterday. Let it set the top right now at 650. Let's get that weak open red to green, or not weak open red to green. Let's get that weak open to lure in the shorts at open. Let's get that float roll. I mean, it's this. I'm sorry, but it's in essence the exact same idea as ENTX yesterday. You get that high day at any point today. So it's Friday. So this is in play all day. 9 million shares traded, 6 million float. It's 8:40 a.m. Let's remember that vertical white line is the market open. Let's get that honey pop for the shorts, and then just a repeat of ENTX yesterday. So in summary, I know a lot more tickers, a lot more questions, but as always, I got a busy day. I think your two main ideas are NLSP. Whoops, that's funny. I typed ENTX. So two mains, I think, if you are a degenerate day trader, nothing wrong with that, by the way. I think your two mains are ENTX and NLSP. So, all right, guys, check out the Steady Trade team. Have a great day. Again, thank you, everyone, for good questions, well thought out questions. Man, there was a day last week. The day will forever live in infamy. I think it was like last Thursday or Friday, and just everybody was bringing like the worst illiquid piece of crap stocks on 52-week lows. Totally different today. Well done. Well done. You guys make it fun. You make it interesting. And hopefully it adds some value to what we do here. And check out the Steady Trade team. Otherwise, I'll see you next time. Have a good day. Oh, and yeah, I talked about GME. Yeah, yep. So, a lot going on today. But keep in mind, by no means did I cover everything. But I covered as much as I could in the 12 minutes I got. So, all right. Have a great day, everyone.